3-in-1 is our flexible go-to hairspray. I use it on so many things. One of the things that we're using it on Brittany's hair is we just finished these beautiful hot roller glam curls, and now we want to set it with a great flexible hold, touchable hold. I love that it's flexible both in the formula and in your application. So as you can see, the nozzle has a light, medium, and a heavy. Depending on where you place the nozzle is how much strength and hold you have, which is so great for the user. That's like 3 bottles of hairspray instead of 1. Great for a thermal too. You could use it anytime you're using a flat iron or a curling iron. Wonderful thing about it is it has B5 for strength and added protection from heat, and it's just a great flexible hold. The biggest thing we hear from our customers is how much they love the smell. It's so fresh and not overpowering. It just smells crisp and clean.